हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, exercise 7.2, chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots, NCERT standard 8. The question is state true or false. It has 7 statements. We have to check whether they are true or false. The first one, cube of any odd number is an even. So we have odd number which end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So let us check. Now here we have taken all the possibilities of odd numbers and we have seen the cubes of odd numbers in all the cases are ending with odd numbers only. So this statement is false. Now the second part, a perfect cube does not end with two zeros. We know that smallest cube number which ends with 0 is 1000 and it has 3 zeros. It means no perfect cube number can have two zeros. Hence it is true. Next, number 3. If square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. So let us check. Here, square of 5 is 25, that is ending with 5, and its cube is ending with 25. And square of 15 ends with 5, but cube of 15 does not end with 25. Hence it is false. It is not necessary that if square of a number ends with 5, its cube will end with 25. Next, number 4, there is no perfect cube that ends with 8. So let us check. Cube of 2, 8. Cube of 12, 1, 7, 2, 8. So it is clear, any number which ends with 2, its cube ends with 8. Hence it is false. Next, number 5. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. So let us check. Let us take smallest 2-digit number, that is 10, and cube it. So here the cube of the smallest 2-digit number is a 4-digit number. Hence this statement is false. Next, sixth part, the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. So let us take greatest 2-digit number and cube it, that is 99 cube. Cube of 99 is 970299, which is a 6-digit number. Hence this statement is false. Now the last part of question number 2, that is 7th statement. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. This is true because cube of 1 is equal to 1 and cube of 2 is equal to 8. So cube of 1 is a single digit number and cube of 8 is also a single digit number. So this statement is true.